I have the OnePlus Watch 2, and let me show you how to factory reset this watch. Now you can do this in case you want to give it away or sell it, or maybe you have a few problems with the watch and you want to start again all over. Then you can actually go ahead and factory reset it so it can go back to the factory default settings. To do this, just go ahead and swipe down and tap on settings. That is the easiest way to open settings, although you can also go to the main menu and find settings. Scroll down on the settings page until you get to other, and then under other, if you scroll down, you should see disconnect and reset. Tap on that. Now it's going to tell you something. This will reset the watch to factory settings and delete all user data. And that's exactly what's going to happen. All your user data is going to get deleted, and this watch will go exactly back to the way it was when you first took it out of the box. So keep in mind that all your data is going to get deleted from this watch. So if you want to proceed, just tap on the check mark. You can see it's currently resetting the device. So just wait for that process to finish. And once the reset is complete, it's going to go back to the original setup screen. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.